Homeowner DIYers still trying to figure out the water treatment to prevent toxic and polluted water, wondering if you can do it yourself or if you need to hire someone. From my experience as a DIYer, I can tell you, unlike other projects, water treatment improvement is far more complex to protect your family's health because it's different for everyone. So, what does self-defense have to do with your home's water source? Well, apparently everything, because we can detect a trait that's parallel. In order to have protection at home that provides true peace of mind, you have to have skills in self-defense. As a homeowner, you already know the obvious. Lock your doors and windows inside your home. Arm your security alarm system to get the cameras and motion sensors engaged. And also check the function of the alarm regularly. Make sure that your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are functional and tested regularly. But what about your home's source water? How safe is it? And how do we know we can protect ourselves and our family from potential water-related issues being exposed to toxic or polluted water sources like those covered in news headlines? Exposures can contaminate water at any given moment. We naturally don't even think about water that could be a problem because it's considered safe to drink by the U.S. EPA's Safe Drinking Water Act, unless your water source comes outside the source of the municipally treated water. Or we only refer to the city water treatment facility's water quality report, which is a requirement by the EPA annually. The problem is the finished water is only tested at the water treatment facility, not the water that has been delivered from the facility through many miles of water distribution lines buried underground, and that chances are several decades old. So what's really in the delivered water and once it finally reaches your home? Water that is considered safe by the US EPA is for drinking water and only for healthy people. Drinking water does not include all the other water uses. Also, this safe-to-drink water quality is still not safe enough for those that are immunocompromised, those with immune systems that are either underdeveloped, like the young, or a weakened immune system, like adults age 65 years and older. Self-defense against your source water is a new way to approach water quality at home. Find out more about it in a free video right now by clicking the link on or around this video. Seed is limited, so do make this a priority and click it now to begin protecting your family, pets, and the home itself. I do hope to see you there on the inside.